Hey, to the whole world again. It's Landile here, the leader and the instructor of my life programming school. Okay, and right now I'm about to jump on to exercise 2.3. Okay, as you can see, this is it right here. You can pause the video and read the question through. I want the reason being I've already done that in the previous solution of the very same exercise. Okay, so without any further rambling, let me jump onto the IDE. So I'll go exercise 2_3 and then go B. Of course I do need the main method. There's something that I want to mention, you guys, before I go on with this solution. You see, just by watching me going through these exercises without doing a practice of your own, that will attribute to you not grasping programming at all, right? Because again, I've said this before, programming is more like math in many ways. You cannot expect to sit down, look at someone solving problems, and then thinking just by memorizing what happened, you would be able to tackle problems on your own. Doesn't work out like that, you guys. So not practicing will attribute to not grasping programming at all. Okay, enough of that. Let's jump to the solution now. Okay, the very first thing I need to do is to create a scanner to read user inputs. I'll call my scanner input, new scanner, system.in. Now close the scanner. Close. Okay, let's jump back here. We are required to prompt the user to enter weights in pounds and heights in inches. Here's the game plan, you guys. I'll use the final keyword and then declare these constants, these two constants. Let's start with that. Kilometers per pound. I'll call it kilometers per pound. Kilometers per pound. Again, the final keyword simply tells us that this is a constant. It's a number that won't change. And the reason why I'm using capital letters now I want meters per inch. So how many meters are there in a single inch? There are 0.025 of them. Okay, so put it there. This is a way to write clean code, you guys. Okay. Oh, the reason for using caps for my constant, it's not like it's considered as it's a convention, you guys. That's what we usually do in Java to declare our constant, but that doesn't stop you from using what you used to. Okay, now what? Now let me get started. System.out.print. Enter. Why can't I print? It's probably because I've been making a lot of videos since the beginning of the day. Of course, I'll have to store that in a variable. Again, let me start by declaring my variables. I'll just go weight in inches. Another variable, I'll call it weight meters. Really? I'll call it, the first one supposed to be height in inches. The second one supposed to be weight in kilograms. In pounds, that's what I meant, because we'll be converting pounds to kilograms. So in pounds. Now I'll simply go height in inches. Inches will be input.next. Height in inches. Why can't I spell that correctly? Dot next. What is it that I'm gonna start with? Weight in pounds. Okay. Undo. I'll have to do that and then go height in inches. Now I'll go weight in pounds is equals to input.next double. At last. Okay. Now what I want to do is I won't explain this as much as I did before. I'll simply write out the equation for computing the weight in inches, well, weight in kilograms. That's gonna be nothing else but that constant up there, the kilometers per pound, multiplied by whatever the user. What's going on? Copy that, I put it there, I multiply it with whatever the user gave me, which is weight in pounds. Same thing applies with my double heights in what? Meters is given by that constant up there. I don't have to use the value now. I'll use the constant multiplied by whatever the user gave me is the amount of inches. Again, this is clean code, you guys. This code is considered as clean compared to the one we had before. Now what? Now we're getting to the last part, which is system.out.print printf. So here's the game plan. I'll go BMI is BMI is simply go percentage, 2 for my field width, 4 for my precision number, F for my format specifier, and then finally, of course, I need to go weight divided by in kilograms. One way of doing this will be to create a variable called BMI and then store weight in kilograms over height in meters. So it's height squared, right? So we can use math.pow for that, and then put height there and then put a 2 over there. I'm hoping everything is pretty well, and if it's not, the compiler would let us know. So it's 5.5, 59.95. Boom, again, you guys, it seems like we have what we needed. Okay, we can always do that and get rid of the BMI variable, you guys. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Cheers, I'm gone.